Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this lovely Ford Fiesta 1.0T Turbo EcoBoost Zetec S 3-door. Now this vehicle has currently done 74,469 miles and it's finished in the colour Deep Impact Blue. It comes with 8 previous services. It's a very fuel efficient hatchback and your road tax is free. It sits nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You've got daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. In the boot you will find 290 litres of space. This can be increased to 974 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your stylish two-tone cloth interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you have your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, moving around to your front seats. There's plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your steering wheel you have some controls for quickly adjusting your infotainment system. You've got your trip display here in the instrument cluster where you've got access to your average fuel consumption and average speed. Centered here in the dashboard you have your radio. The system has access to FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music in the media section. Here you've got your auxiliary input, USB connectivity as well as Bluetooth audio. You also have a CD player. You've got your phone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're on the go. This Fiesta does come with rear parking sensors, which makes parking much easier. Down below on the dashboard you have your air conditioning, which is nice and simple to use. You've got your 5-speed manual gear selector here in the centre console.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.